Hi, I'm Kevin Ford.
I'm Esther Zafer.
And I'm Anthony Newhouse.
Today we're presenting our MN130 project, a low-force, low-cost arbor press. Our goal was to design a tool that's more accessible and practical for light-duty applications. And to do this, we followed a structured engineering design process, including problem identification, research, and iterative design development.
Traditional arbor press are typically made from steel or cast iron. While they are strong and durable, they can be expensive and often provide more force than necessary for smaller tasks. This makes them less ideal for applications like assembling small components, pressing lightweight parts, or hobby use. So we set out to design a solution that better matches these needs.
Our solution was a mostly 3D printed arbor press that's easier to manufacture and more affordable than a solid metal press. It maintains the same working principle as a normal press, the lever system, and adapts it for lower force applications using more accessible materials. The design focuses on simplicity, functionality, and the ease of production.
Our press operates using a lever and pivot mechanism. And when force is applied to the handle, it'll transfer through a pivot pin and it'll drive a vertical ram downward onto the workpiece. This helps create mechanical advantage and allows the user to pretty much apply greater force with less effort. Throughout the design, we considered engineering concepts like mechanical advantage, shear stress, and structural integrity to sort of optimize reliable performance.
Some of the key features of our design include a reinforced frame for improved strength, a large pivot pin to reduce failure risk, rounded corners to minimize stress concentration, structural ribs to increase stiffness, and an ergonomic handle for better control. Together, these features improve durability while keeping the design practical and manufacturable.
And the model that we have shows how the main components, the frame, the handle, the RAM, all come together to make a complete working system. Depending on which way you spin the handle, it goes up or down. And using CAD also helps us make it easier to refine the design and identify potential improvements with the structural assembly system earlier in the process than completely rebuilding the model.
The key audience we're pretty much aiming for are engineering students, hobbyists, any sort of small workshops, and especially people who have access to 3D printing but might be limited to the whole sort of metal fabrication side of things or limited space to really work from at home.
Overall, our goal is to develop a functional arbor press that is better suited for the light-duty applications. This project demonstrates the full engineering design process while providing a more accessible alternative at traditional designs. Thank you for listening.
Look forward to see your feedback, questions, and comments. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you so much.